Hello, Old Kentucky Home Middle School Vice Principal Interview Team. First, I want to thank you for the opportunity you've given me to share a little bit about myself, and I look forward to the opportunity on Thursday to share more and learn more about Old Kentucky Home Middle School. My path to education is a little different than most. I graduated from Georgetown College with a degree in Business Administration and Communication. I then worked for Sherwin-Williams, where I was a market manager in the Louisville area. During my time at Sherwin-Williams, I decided to pursue a career in education. I returned to school and went to the University of Louisville, where I earned my MAT in education, and I've been teaching now for 8 years. While I've enjoyed my time in the classroom, the relationships I've built, and the success I've seen with my students, I decided to return to school and go to the University of Bellarmine to pursue a position in administration. That was what brings me here today as I stand before you seeking to be Old Kentucky Home Middle School's next vice principal. Some ask what brings me joy, and many things come to mind. First, what brings me joy is spending time with my family. My wife, Lindsay, and I, we love to spend time with our kids outdoors, Jack, who is 12, and Emily, who is 8. We love to go camping, we love to go hiking, we love to play in the creeks along the way. We also enjoy cheering on the cats, whether it be at a game or from our home. In the school setting, what brings me joy is when a student goes from this picture of defeat and distraught and discouragement and ready to throw in the towel to when that student then looks like this, where they are excited about what they're doing. The light bulb has gone off and they understand and they realize the success that they see from their hard work. Eventually, that student becomes one who has built a relationship with an adult in the building, and they are excited to come to school each day knowing that they've got an advocate that is there to support them along the way and to be a friend and to be a positive role model in their life. A few of my gifts and strengths. One of them I feel is that I'm creative. I feel being creative is a great way for students to learn, finding new ways for them to show their gifts and to show how they can learn so that they can be successful. I also feel that one of my gifts is that I'm a hard worker. I will work hard. I'm up for any kind of challenge. Working with middle school students, a strength of mine will be that I'm patient, I'm supportive. There's a lot going on in the lives of our students, and while they're working through those things, it's important that we walk beside them and we're patient with them and we support them all along the way. Lastly, I feel I know how to have fun. Fun in the classroom and fun outside the classroom. Make learning exciting. That's something that they want to do, but also having fun with them outside the classroom, joining them on their sports field, at their recitals, at their performances, just showing them that you take interest and you enjoy the things that they're enjoying and you want to be there for them every time possible. Uh, Old Kentucky Home Middle School and Nelson County, I feel, are very similar to the community that I grew up in. A very small, tight-knit community with events around the community where we celebrate our history, celebrate our heritage, and in doing that, we're building that community. We're building those relationships with each other, with our students, with our parents, and with our community that last more than just the 3 years of middle school, more than just the time they have in high school. But these are relationships, from my experience, that will last a lifetime and that we'll reflect on and have positive stories to tell about in the future. With that, I thank you, and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday at 8 o'clock.